Hi viewers, Amarnath Capital Mart Academy. So today Nifty 175 point positive closure, Bank Nifty minus 59, Nifty IT 717 point positive closure, 2.03%. So the top heavyweight is in the negative, but second top is very much positive. So if you see, only that tremendously supported the Nifty. So overall, this is not a very healthy rally, I feel. The reason is, if you see the stock traded, total stock traded 2756. So in which 971 positively ended and 1705 ended negatively. So this is very big difference. But still, if you see Nifty is 175 point, it is positive. So if you see the top heavyweight, the couple of stocks only, it is supported this much. And at the during the market hours, if you see the Nifty mid cap 150 was negative, and small cap was positive. Then after that it has changed. 150 was positive and small cap 250 was negative. So there is a zigzag positivity had happened. So that also not good. And if you see the sector wise, if you see sector wise, it looks all the sector like positive, and only a few are looks marginally negative. But actually what happened, the last 45 minutes, many negative sectors turned into green. So to my opinion, what it would have happened is, at the last moment, the respective sectors heavyweight, they made a gameplay and showed it as a green. So that's what I feel. Let me see, let me tell you your comment in the comment box. Let me see what actually happens. So now we will see the Nifty. So this is the 5-minute chart. If you see at the one moment, Nifty was minus 60 point, then from that it was a very good rally. So if you see the day high, from the bottom it is 282 point, it has rallied. So in between, if you see, it's very good recovery, then 100 point, more than 100 point, again downside, again it has recovered, again some nearly 100 point down, again it has going on the upside. So if you see from the bottom, it is a surge of 280 points. So very huge volatility today, and this is today is the expiry as well. And if you see the overall trend, the day chart, see the green candles, it's though it looks very good, but it's not healthy, I feel. The reason is, on June 4th, the result day, the low, from the low, if you see the today's high, it is 2800 point, it is a rally. So within less than 20 trading sessions, less than 20 trading, almost it comes around 16 or 17 trading sessions. So 2800 point is a very huge. Okay, leave it this big tail and all. If you see the channel bottom is a nominal level, we can say. From this nominal level, if you see the today's high, it looks 2000 points. Again, it is a very huge upside surge, I can say this. So this also it's not a healthy movement, healthy rally, I say. So it has to have some pullback, at least to the channel, upper side of this channel. So that would be around 23,300 level, it has to come. Otherwise, whatever the further rally would be not a healthy rally, to my point of view. So today, based on this current expiry, the max pain was 23,950. The market closed at 24,44, the spot, and the PCR was 1.14. Anyway, this story is over today. Tomorrow on we will see the fresh contract details of this. Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty 59 point negatively closed, and if you see from the day low, it has rallied 500 point. Again, it has came down 500 point from the high. Again, it has rallied 350 point. Again, down 350 point. Again, its recovery. Huge play, very huge volatility. So all this again, what they would again, as Exor lost Friday, I said the same thing. I am making the same comment. they offloading one contract and accumulating in another contract. So that's what would have happened, all this type of volatility. And if you see the day chart, so before going to we see the day chart. Similarly, Nifty, if you see on the 4th, the bottom, from there if you see in 701.50 point, it has rallied. And if you see the channel bottom, from here this is a nominal bottom, I can say. From there it is 670 point, it has rallied. So this also very huge rally. So this has to again come back. So the first level support would be 5100, we can say. This range would be the first level support. It has to come, otherwise this won't be a healthy rally. If further it rallies the upside, then if start correct, it would be upside down. If it start correcting now itself, it will be a pullback, we can say. Otherwise it will turn as upside down. Okay, let us see subsequent session how it plays. So based on 3rd July contract, the max pain is 52,800 and PCR is 0.92. And mid cap, so this is mid and small 400, which includes mid cap 150 and small cap 250. So collectively both the index collective single indexes mid and small 400. So this is also very good volatility, we can say that. From the day closure, it's 160 point, it has rallied in the upper side. Again it has come again further and rallied, again come down. If you see from the day high, it is 300 point, it has come down. Again 150 point, it is rallied at the last moment. So this also during this, until this session, you can say mid cap 150 was negative, small cap was positive. Then mid cap was turned positive and the small cap turned negative. At the end of the day, it's like a level play, 13 point positive negative closure. So if you see the day chart of this, the trend, it is not progressing like Nifty and Bank Nifty. So so to my point, this is a very big this is a important index, and this clearly shows that it doesn't have strength to go further. So this reflects the overall market strength. So mid cap Nifty 50, to my point of view, it's not a overall market strength. So this would reflect the overall market strength. It is not a real strength, it doesn't have. So any moment we can expect the pullback. If it doesn't, we expect the pullback, still the Nifty rallies, then from one point of we can expect the upside down movement. So that would be a bloodbath kind of. Okay, this is about our market. Now we will see our big brother US market. So yesterday the DJ 15 point positive closure and the broad market S&P 500 8 point positive closure. Yes, we can say it's a flat closing. By the time of recording this video, the UK market and the Euro market both are marginally negative. And if you see the DJ and the S&P 500 chart, I said this would be just a pullback, it will start rallying. But yesterday closure, if you see that it losing that confidence. If today it again make a green candle, mean upside decent positive closure, then we can expect the further movement would be the channel, the all-time high. Otherwise it moved towards the channel bottom. If you see the S&P 500 last couple of session on, there is no progress, it is in the sideways movement. Like how our mid cap and mid and small 400, we saw that something similarly it looks here also. So all the broad market index, if you see our broad market index and S&P 500, both doesn't have a strength. So all this benchmark index only they are making a play, because that has the F&O, right? So that's the reason. Okay, so with this we close this video. I hope this video will be very much informative to you. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.